at the international fraction, I would like to call Arthur.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arthur Singh from class 5th. I speak with international news. The international news are first, WHO accuses China of holding back information on COVID-6 details. Second, Hunter Biden laptop scandal. US President's son repairman for leaking data to political enemies. US officials beefed up security around New York ahead possible Donald Trump indictment. Thank you and have a nice day.
It is not enough to know the national and the international news. We should also know that the world has done some invention and discoveries which is important to be known. So here in the Eureka Corner, I would like to call Samar.
Good morning everyone, I am here with Eureka Corner update. It was in the 1929 that Henry Dam made a major invention in the field of biology by discovering vitamin K. It was around 458 AD at the concept of zero first Hindu astronomer and mathematician named Aryabhat was the first person to create a symbol of zero. Thank you and have a nice day.
We all know that the healthy mind resides in the healthy body, for which flexibility and agility is a major role. So let's see that what are the recent sport victories. So I would like to call Varshika. Good morning everyone. Today's sport news is Michael Racewell replaced Wildjack in the RCB squad. India win over Australia in first ODI. Thank you and have a nice day. We all know that what is happening in our school. Are we doing something special? So here we have our campus news. I would like to call Sanidhya.
Good morning everyone. Today's campus news is
Assembly is going on and few people are standing in assembly.
currently we are going through our foundation program and our teachers are helping us to bridge up our learning gaps. Our new session is going to start from 10th April. Thank you and have a nice day.
I would like to call Mannat for weather news. Good morning everyone. Weather news is farmers asked to postpone harvesting due to rainfall in part of India. Thank you and have a nice day. Finally, we should know what progressive things are happening across the globe and in our country. Are there some regressive things that are pulling down our nation or our world and how we should overcome them? For this, I would like to call up Niyato.
Good morning everyone. My name is Agniyata of class 5th. In Progressive Corner we have with 1.2 billion people and the world's third largest economy in purchasing power party terms. India's recent growth has been a significant achievement. In Progressive Corner we have return of Corona. India shows a single day rise of 94 new coronavirus infections with the active declining to 1,934 according to the Union healthy ministry. So the best way to protect yourself against COVID-19 is by maintaining physical distance of 1 meter, frame others of frequent day, cleaning your hands. Thank you and have a nice day.
And next one. And that's all for today's news. Thank you, dear friends, for this lovely news update. And here we are with a value-based presentation. Our theme is women empowerment, and the value that we taken from this is empowerment. So let's have a dance for based on empowerment.
माँ, मुझे भूख लगी है। मैंने 2 दिन से खाना नहीं खाया। मुझे खाना दे दो।
हे भगवान, आप हमें कैसा दिन दिखा रहे हैं? हम अपने बच्चों को खाना भी नहीं खिला पा रहे हैं।
मैं तुम्हें पैसे दूंगा। तुम इसे मुंबई भेजोगी मेरे साथ, और इसके साथ मैं तुम्हें 1 करोड़ रुपए भी दूंगा, और इसके महीने के पैसे तुम्हारे पास आते रहेंगे।
हाँ हाँ, मैं जरूर भेजूंगी। कम से कम मेरे बच्चों को पेट भर खाना तो खाना मिलेगा। कम It was a beautiful combination of expressions through dialogue and expressions through dance. I hope you all enjoy it. Now we have a short quiz to sensitize you towards global awareness and national awareness. So here we are with GK quiz. I would like to call Srishti.